My name is David Mangan. They call me Trailblazer Dave out here. I am the lead trail designer and builder for the Southern Kettle Moraine State Forest at the John Muir Trail System, which also encompasses the Emma Carlin and the connector trails between. We have 22,000 acres of property out here. Closest town would be Whitewater, Wisconsin. This is a mountain bike trail system out here of over 50 miles of trail. I specifically was interested in the four-wheel drive Brush Rover. Reason is because our trails out here that are hiking and biking trails are about 18 inches wide. We need to trim back on both sides about a foot. I did take it back to give it a trial run and see how it would work in the thick Black Locust that we have back in this section of the trail here. And these are saplings that we were trying to cut back on. It's very thick back through there, and we cut them and no problem at all. It just knocked them right down to the ground. Very impressive. Talking with our volunteer crew that is out here today, after using the machines, they said this machine would cut back so much quicker, they can get to the beer tent that much faster, and that makes them very happy.